Hey leaders, welcome to Digital Feel Good, providing you with tips, techniques, and training to lead as the most optimal version of yourself. My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks, and today we're going to be talking to you, or I will be talking to you, about how to sell digital products or classes using Payhip. So, Payhip is an e-commerce gateway for you. So, let's go ahead and check it out. Now, Payhip, what we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and create a secondary Payhip. I actually use Payhip for my digital products and services as well as my classes. So we're going to go ahead and sign up. Now, when you arrive at Payhip, you'll see that there's a button here that just tells you to add your first product. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my first product. I'm going to go ahead and go with a product that I've had in my mind for a little while here. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in. So how to build confidence before walking into a meeting. Um, this is a product I've been thinking about for a while. I don't know, I may do it or may not. We'll see. But for the video here, for the purposes of this video, we're going to go ahead and create this product. So I think I'm going to set it at a $47 price. It'll be a 1-hour class. We'll be walking through a couple of different confidence measures and things that you can do to kind of make yourself confident. It's a couple of different techniques and exercises and things that you can do. So let's go ahead and let's select what I'd like to have on the outer end of this particular platform. Oops, I clicked on the wrong one. So let's go ahead. I want to create a video. So I want to have a video when people land on this landing page for this particular product. So I'm going to go to my YouTube page and I'm going to act as though I've created a video for this particular product. Hey, and by the way, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel here, and you'll get notifications, as well as click the little bell if you like the notifications to come to you when I upload new videos. I try to do these new videos every Tuesday. So I found one here. Let's go ahead and select this one. We'll go ahead and utilize an old lead magnet that I have here. I'm going to go ahead and click the link and put the link here. And as you can see, it will go ahead and pull up my video. So when people come to my landing page, they can hear the video that I have. I can give a little introduction of the product and kind of tell you a little bit about it, why it's useful to you, so on and so forth. So here I'm just going to type in a bit of a description here, very, very short description. You may want to put a little bit more, or you may not, depending on your audience. So here, of course, since we're just creating a test digital product, I'm going to go ahead and just put in a little bit about it and say it's a 1-hour class. Now, this isn't an ebook. We're actually just going to select other because this is actually a 1-hour class that I am selling on this particular page. And now here's where you upload the product itself. So if I had an ebook, if I had a download, if I had a template sheet or something that I was selling, this is where you would go ahead and input that particular product. But since I am making up a fictitious product, I'm just going to go ahead and use one of my pictures and select it and put it in here. So we're going to wait for that to upload. And it works fairly quickly. Now my internet's a bit slow, so on your end it may go ahead and upload a lot faster. All right, so now we are all set. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have everything in its place, and I'm going to add a product. All right, so now it'll go ahead and generate a link to my product, and now I can share it, or I can go ahead and view it. So now we're viewing the actual landing page for the product, and it'll play this video for individuals who visit this particular page. Now, this is also a great way for you to build some trust and for you to build a relationship with your client or customer that comes to this landing page. Now, it's telling me I have to set it up a payment gateway in order to actually publish this. So we can set that up through Stripe or PayPal. And now if we go into our advanced settings, it's going to let us, I can set up when I want to be notified. I can set up, email marketing. I can also go ahead and set, get my settings all together. You definitely want to do these actions here. You want to set up your profile picture, your name. If you want to set up your Payhip store to be Payhip / your name or Payhip / your business name, so on and so forth. You want to put in all of the information here. So now what we're going to do, let's take a look at marketing. I love, love, love this feature because I can add a coupon code, and that coupon code can go towards anything, right? So let's start off with, how about love? let's see. Digital love. Oh, I know. Computer love. Computer love. All right. Anyway, so we're going to use computer love as our coupon code. So I can actually go out to a networking event. I can be in line at the store and I can say, I have a product that I think would be useful to you. If you use the code computer love, then I can show you how to start a podcast, or I can show you how to utilize your MacBook to create content, so on and so forth. So many different things, right? So we can have this coupon code towards all of our things or just some of them. Now here's where we add our social discount. I love this option as well. So as you can see there, I added a social discount so that when people share the page, they actually get a huge discount just for sharing the page. So when they share and they also purchase, it's a double whammy, right? You get that share where they're exposing you to their audience, but you also get get them to utilize the discount and you get a sale. So it's telling me I have to set this up in order to show you the affiliates, but affiliate is another great way that you can utilize Payhip. Now you can also set this up to go to your mailing list. Now for me, I utilize MailerLite. So I can go ahead and select MailerLite, and anytime that someone makes a purchase, they will absolutely go right into my MailerLite email list. So I love, love, love this feature. I love Payhip. So we are all set here. Let's go ahead and view it. We're all set here. We have our video. We have, the price. We have our coupon set up. We have the description. So everything is a go with this particular product. And I am absolutely loving Payhip. So I definitely recommend that you try it out if you don't already have some type of payment gateway set up. Like I said, this is a great way for you to sell your digital products, and it's so hands-off. Once you set it up, you can pretty much set it and just promote it. So it's not set it and forget it, it's set it and promote it. So here's another product. This is actually one of the products that I have, which is the Easy Podcast class. This class is $199. And like I said, you can see I've set up everything, kind of telling you about the class. Now I actually have an actual page here as well. So let's take a look at the page with all of my digital products. So recently I've been thinking about shorting this down to just maybe 3 different products. Right now I'm just testing it out to see kind of what works and what you guys are interested in. So I'll leave this up for a little while longer, and then I'll pretty much just drill it down to 3 main core products. But if you take a look here, you'll see all of the products that I have. You'll see my journal. You'll see book a start call. Now on a start call, that's pretty much where we're just going into your business. We're doing an assessment and analyzing. So as you can see here, it has the share button so they can get a discount. So you can totally get a discount if you decide to share this and you want to jump on a start call and get a discount. You can do that. If you scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see all of the information, the description of what you get. You see my silly face here. All of that good stuff's already set up, right? And here is the payment checkout, and this is what it looks like. So you can purchase with either a PayPal or with your card, and there's where you would apply your coupon code. So if Computer Loved worked here, which it does not, you can see it there. So here you can see the checkout. You can, like I said, you can pay with PayPal or you can pay with a card. And here's the list again. You can kind of take a look, and I want to show you guys because I put GIFs in some of these, and so I love the option of utilizing GIFs, right? Which totally makes sense for me since I am a digital media producer and I am the editor-in-chief of the Digital Feel Good magazine, which is GIF and video curated. So it makes sense. So let's say we have a coupon code. So I have a coupon code that's called JAWS Tools, and so you can definitely utilize that coupon code if you'd like to do so. Now here is where you would see the discount. As you can see, it took off a significant amount of money. So now they're able to purchase not only 1, but 2 different courses from me and utilize that discount code and receive a massive discount. So that is kind of what the discount cart looks like. I wanted to kind of show you guys a couple of different things here. Like I said, here is the GIF here. Here's another product that I have, How to Overcome Video Phobia. And as you can see, we kind of have the whole Home Alone thing, and I'm acting as though he's scared of video. If we go down here, we also have the president, or past president, who we miss so much, Obama. So Barack Obama here, and he has his little quote there, and it's playing. I love that quote. That's why I put it there, because I believe that once you utilize media to position yourself, then you will have an enormous amount of opportunities coming to you. So Media Entrepreneur Bundle is just that. It's the ultimate guide. It's the equipment. It's the templates. It's the step by step on how to really use media to push your brand, to push your message, to push your business. And if you're in corporate organizations or an executive in the C-suite, how you can really build your brand with media and start to do interviews and have, attract opportunities in certain different ways. So, with all of that being said, you can definitely check this out and you can find out how to utilize Payhip. I love, love, love Payhip. So definitely click on the link below to learn more and find out more information about Payhip and sign up to use it.